Question number 7. A man stands in a lift that is accelerating vertically downwards. Okay, so A is acting downwards over here. And which statement describes the force exerted by the man on the floor? By the man on the floor. Okay, so towards it, if he is exerting some force over here, the floor will also exert an equal and opposite force on him, right? What do you call that force? This is nothing but an elevator problem. It is something like you put an weighing machine over here. So if you put a weighing machine, if you are exerting a force downwards, the weighing machine will give you an upward force. What is it? Normal force over here, right? So therefore, now I can now write it like this. This is my normal force, this is my weight, and this is the acceleration over here. So draw the FBD, we have drawn the FBD, get the force equation, which should be W minus N should be equal to M into A, where M is the mass of the man. In other words, N should be equal to W minus MA. Now, what's happening over here? The normal force is equal and opposite to it. And as a result of this, you can say this normal force now reduces. It's not equal to weight. Now, let us look at this. It is equal to weight of the man. No, it is greater than the force exerted by the floor on the man. Incorrect, because by the floor on the man is nothing but normal force. He is not exerting a larger force. If he is exerting a larger force, definitely he should penetrate the floor and go downwards, which is not correct. It is less than the force exerted by the floor on the man. It is less than. No, it is not less than it, which means if it is less than it, definitely he will be flying upwards over there. Okay, it is less than the weight of the man. It is less than the weight of the man. This is the right answer. D is the right answer.